Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks, box break number 345, and today we've got our 5th box out of that 11-box raffle win, as today we will open up the box of 2017 Team Canada Juniors. This is one of 3 boxes of Team Canada Juniors from that 11-box raffle win. The other 2 are 2019 and 2020. But today, we will open up 2017 Team Canada Juniors. And box number 99. Let's get into it. Packs have shifted around in the box. Alright, there we go. Now that I've got them on stacks, there we go. Let's get into it. First pack. Looks like we are starting off with a jersey card, or maybe a blocker. We've got an exclusives 52 of 199 Guillaume Brisebois and blocker. Don't remember there being blockers in this stuff, but we've got a local legends, Sherwood Park, Alberta, Carter Hart. Very nice pull there. Carter Hart, blocker behind. Local legends, Sherwood Park, Alberta. Very nice. Got another exclusives. Number 167 of 199. Dylan Dubé exclusives. This is definitely a patch. I can feel that pack is quite a bit thicker. Just picking that pack up, you can feel the difference. Program of Excellence, Maxime Comtois. Watch there just be a thicker blocker in that pack now because I said that. There's a patch in here. Could not feel this one. Let's see what we got. Logo patch, a goalie, Carter Hart. Oh, there we go. Beauty. Logo patch. Team Canada, Carter Hart. What a box. Very nice. Manufactured patch, but that's a beauty looking card right there. Now to only get a Carter Hart patch auto. Other exclusives. 193 of 199, Jarrett McIsaac. Program of Excellence, Michael McLeod. Other exclusives, 181 of 199 exclusives, Mario Lemieux. Final pack from the middle stack. Program of Excellence, Cody Glass. God, this pack feels really thin. Exclusives, Michael McLeod, 157 of 199. No different than the other thin packs, but that one felt a little thinner. Program of Excellence, Owen Tippett. 3 packs to go, and then the one that felt very thick. Hopefully not our only patch. Patch auto, that is. We do have something thick here. '24. Natalie Spooner. 1 color patch auto. 152 of 199. Natalie Spooner. One of the better female players. It's something different in this pack. Local Legends, Kirkland, Quebec, Joseph Velino. Local Legends. Final pack from the right stack, and then we've got that one that felt super thick. Got a jersey card here. Ian Scott. Ian Scott jersey card. And final pack, this one felt super thick. '18, could that be Pierre-Luc Dubois? No. 2 color patch auto, Nate Chenard. Nate Chenard. 92 of 199. 2 color patch auto, Nate Chenard. Actually doesn't even look like a patch, that just looks like a prime jersey piece. Well folks, that is going to do it here for 2017 Team Canada Juniors. Do a quick recap here. Brisebois, Carter Hart, Local Legends, Dubé, Comtois, probably the hit of the box, I'm thinking. Logo Patch, Carter Hart. I don't know how rare these are, but I've never pulled one of these before. Not that I've opened up a lot of Team Canada, though. McIsaac, McLeod, Lemieux, Glass, McLeod, Tippett, Natalie Spooner, one color patch auto, 152 of 199. Valeno, Scott Jersey, and Nate Shinar, 92 of 199, two color. Well, folks, that's going to do it here for this box of 2017 Team Canada Juniors. If you did enjoy this break, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got plenty more box breaks, Matthews and McDavid's 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads to come.